Hi, I'm Relson James Uar, 22 from Philippines. I am an inspiring virtual assistant newbie who is eager to start my journey here in this field and build a strong career in a remote work. While I'm a newbie, I'll bring with me the dedication, adaptability, and willingness to learn what every business needs. I have skills in data entry, email management, scheduling, and social media management. With my background as an IT and having the experience in my internship where I provide the needs of each of the agents in a BPO company, I believe that I can handle this type of work in a remote work. So if I am given this type of opportunity, I'm willing to commit myself here, build my journey here, grow here, and improve my skills so I can be more dependable. That's all.